Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose and I have an unboxing video. I think I finally found planner piece. This is my new planner and I just got it. So let's do the unboxing. Okay, here is my package from Jet Pens. I apologize for my nails. I just finally started using gel polish and I like it, but man, I really need to figure it out. All right, let's open up my new planner. Oh no, I think I'm cutting into the product. Let's see. Oh no, did I cut into it? I did. Oh no. Okay. What a dingus. Let's see. Hopefully it's just oh good, it's just the packaging, not the actual stuff. All right. So I got from Kokuyo Jibun Techo planner. So I'm gonna put my scissors away. I usually use like I usually use Passion Planner or Hobonichi, or I even have a Happy Planner, but this one I've never tried before. So let's get the rest of these accessories out and let's talk about it. Oh, it's so pretty. Anything else? Okay. Goodbye, envelope. So I went with the Jibun Techo because this specifically is it's 3 diaries in one, or 3 planners in one. Diary, life, and idea. The diary is a weekly, monthly, yearly schedule, and then the life is like a bunch of lists and things. And I just was like, yes, I love lists and tracking everything. The videos from Jet Pens were like, you need to get these accessories, and I said, it was my birthday, let's get them. And so this is the post-its. They are supposed to fit in the grid, and I'll show you what that means. And then these are monthly tabs, a pocket for the book, and then I haven't tried these before. These are not from Kokuyo. These are friction highlighters, which someone said that they work really well on the paper, and I've never tried them, so I bought them. Just like a little bonus. So let's put these here and let's open up the planner. I got the mini, which is a B6, I believe, and it's a little bit slimmer than a normal B6. So this is going to be an interesting fit for me. So the Passion Planner I have is about letter size, and then the Hobonichi Weeks Mega that I was using is about this size as well, but you know, it's more narrow. Okay. Goodbye, plastic. Now, the front is in English. It lists all the things that are in the planner. Pause to read if you want. And then the back side is mostly in Japanese, but I think it'll be pretty intuitive to use. It comes with this pencil board, which doubles as an elastic band to keep everything closed. And here is something cool. So I'm going to take this part off. The little, not label, but it's like a band. Yeah, it's on there tight. Yep, still all Japanese. Okay, this color I picked because it's close to the purple, my favorite purpley color, which is this color. So this is a little bit more warm while this is cooler. So it's got its own cover. Inside here, 3 pockets for, credit cards, gift cards, whatever your heart desires. And the life book slips in to the front like that. And then behind the life book is the 2026 planner. So this is the 2026 planner cover, which is here, right here. And then the life book slips in there. And then here is the planner, which is a good size planner. Then we've got the idea book, which slips into the back, and it's just grid. Then we've got pen loop if we want. This thingy, which I think holds more cards. I got this. They have their own accessory line called Goods. If you're not familiar with Kokuyo, they make campus notebooks, which are geared towards like students. And I had no idea that they made this planner. It just came up on my suggested feed on YouTube. So this has more pockets and then a big zipper pocket for, I don't know, ephemera. What else could you put in there? I don't know. Let me know what your ideas are. There's some nail polish. It chipped off when I was playing with my new nail polish. So this I'm going to slip in here in the back. Derp. It fits right in. And then it closes. Oh, so it's got this pocket here, which I guess if you wanted, let's just, for example, oh my gosh, my nails, there we go. Slip this in. I would never do that, but look. All right, that I'll play with later. The pencil board doubles as an elastic, so you could have it here in the front, I guess. Or, I don't know. Oh, here. Slip it back here. Nice. That's like an extra little pocket if you don't like using the pencil board, but then the elastic goes around and it's secure. Not sure how I feel about that, but it's very thoughtful. All right, let's dive into a basic walkthrough. So here's the life journal. Name, I have no idea what that says. This paper is very smooth. It's pretty thin, but the pen tests that I saw all over Instagram say that it's good paper, so I'm really excited to try it out. This gives you a little how to use, and then it shows the different lists that are in this book. Favorite photos. I want to see that one. Let's see. Personal motto. Oh, I wish I knew what these said. I bet there's a video. There's probably a video that translates all of these. Anniversaries. Japan travel map. Oh, that I could use that. That would be amazing. My news. I'm going to link the JetPens video that I watched that made me decide to get this one. Here's the favorite photos. That's one page. One page for favorite photos. Cool. Okay, that was fun. Now for the actual planner book, we'll just do a quick flip through. Maybe I'll do a more in-depth tour later. So there's the end page, 2026 cover page, and it gives you a breakdown of the things that are going to be in this book. Gifts received. That's interesting. I've never thought to track that. So what I like about this is that it has like an example, right? Even though I can't read it, it does show how other people or how the company envisions you use it. I've really decided that I like the vertical format in my planners. So I'm really happy with my choice. So here's Year at a Glance. It even includes 2025, which is interesting. Um, it is a Monday start, which might throw some people off. I might print out a standard Sunday start, since a lot of calendars that I still use or interact with have Sunday starts. All right, my dream for 2026. Money plan, another Japan map, weekly plan. So this is cool. Is this dated? Or is this just like a routine? Oh, okay. So maybe this is like your ideal routine. That's probably how I would use it. Oh, it's got bookmarks. Okay, let's go in here. Promises to yourself, maybe promises from other people, and then habit trackers. So this starts in November, which is just, 2 weeks away, maybe a little less once I publish this, and goes all the way to December of next year, I believe. Oh no, April of 2027. Wow. All right, here's the calendar. Monday start. I like grouping the weekend together. I finally started having weekends, so that's cool. I like the little grid that they have on their monthlies, emotions and stuff. And then it's got lots of places for like lists. Love the pastel colors. I wish the weeks were between, but I think the Hobonichis like this too. The months first, then the weeks. So let's skip over to the weeks. So we've got this broken down into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 major sections. This is like a schedule or a time tracker. It's got the hours listed here on each column. And then I don't know, but so you could do the weather here, I guess. And I guess the time starts here. I don't know why it's see that bold line? That made me think it was divided into sections. So, but this starts at midnight. So who's going to be putting stuff in there? Maybe you could track your dreams. And then it ends at 11. Okay. And here you could probably summarize your day. It's got just like on the monthly. Let me find something to use as a pointer. It's got like emotions and then maybe your wake up time. No. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. There we go. Right? Breakfast, lunch, dinner. That makes sense. Once again, lots of space for lists, and you don't have to use this as a schedule. I might, and then fill the rest of it up with lists because I have a lot of lists since I'm back in school. So all of these are weeklies, weekly spreads. And then at the end, we've got, looking back on 2026, Tokyo route map, other cities, world time differences, I like that, and then personal data. I'm going to have to look up all of these so that I can translate it. And then here's the notebook. So before I end the video, I do want to test this out and make sure, just for my own peace of mind, that the post-its do fit in the blocks, in the columns. So let's do yellow, because there's 2 yellow pads. Are you gonna come out? Oh my god, is it glued in? Or is it really tight? Don't make me rip the cute box. Ooh, okay. Alright, let's use some tweezers. Like I'm a professional YouTuber. Okay, so let's lift this up. Find a space for it. right here, I guess. Looks good. Look. Oh my gosh. That is so, so satisfying. Okay. So that's my new planner, and I will be starting it in November. And first impression, super pleased, super excited. Love the colors, love the layout. So many lists, so much room to write. And I think this will be one that I use or want to use all the time. It just feels nice. If that makes any sense. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the space down below. Is that even a thing still? Is a space down below? And remember, like and subscribe and all those YouTubey things. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you later. Bye.